In today's fast-paced world, students and job seekers need more than traditional methods to explore career paths and develop essential skills. Virtual reality, or VR, is a powerful tool that offers immersive experiences, bridging the gap between theory and practice. With VR, learners step into lifelike simulations, building confidence by interacting with virtual environments. Let's dive into how VR simulations are revolutionizing education. Imagine students being able to safely practice skills for various industries, from manufacturing to healthcare, and even construction. VR simulations are designed to provide learners with instant feedback, guidance, and assessment, making learning more interactive and effective. Furthermore, VR improves accessibility, affordability, scalability, and personalization, ensuring that every learner gets the most out of their education. To harness VR effectively, it's crucial to align it with your educational goals. Use VR to meet clear outcomes, whether it's enhancing learning experiences, recruiting for academic programs, or creating community interest. Virtual reality isn't just a buzzword, it's a transformative tool for education and an adventure waiting to be explored. Join us in embracing VR to unlock new possibilities in education.